All right, today I have the Bona Pet system. All right, so right here is designed for getting up pet hair, cleaning up your house where you have pets. Right here it says electrostatic action, and that is supposed to have the hair attract to the phalanges that you have going on here. It says premium pet microfiber mop for multi-surface floors. It says deep clean system captures pet hair and dander and removes the messes. So those of you with pets out there, dogs, cats, whatnot, and you get hair all over the floor, this could be the answer for you. It says flexible corners, which I'm going to take you through. Okay, that protect the furniture. Microfibers easily pick up hair, which is what you need, and microfiber pads, washable and reusable. All right, and it shows what you can use this on: hardwood, vinyl, and LVT, stone, tile, and laminate. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Sustainable solutions for cleaner and healthier home. And I'm going to be assembling this. I'm going to show you how to put it together, handles, whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. And then I have this right here. And inside, I'm going to break this down to you so you can see it pretty well. So it has a few things inside. All right, cardboard, just in case you want to use that and if you run out of toilet paper or something. Here's the handle. It actually extends, gets shorter for those of you who are shorter. Here is the top of the handle. Let's go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on the top. Snap it into place. This is the bottom. You see how the attachments adhere to it? There's Velcro on either side of this right here, and this is how the piece is attached to it. This I'm going to show you. I'm going to line it up with this and snap this into place. You see how this goes in? Snaps into place like that. So once I have that, I have two sets of fibers that I can go ahead and attach it. So you have this one with the large phalanges, because this for like really messy areas. This has electrostatic, picks up the dog hair. And this is for, it's not so much, this is all, I almost want to call this like a polishing to get it really clean on this part right here. Sweeping pad, and here is the deep clean pad, okay, power loop. Deep clean pad right here. You can see that's different types of phalanges on here. Different types of fabric. Almost has a scrubbing type material right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the microfiber sweeping pad on here. I'm going to attach it. All I have to do is place this downward onto the ground and then just line this up right here. See, there's Velcro right here. And just stick it on the back of this right here. And it lines up like that. And I could just go ahead and sweep all the way around, get up those big hairs. You know, it's done. Go ahead and take this off. See, it picks up some hair. You have the smaller one right here. Power loop, deep clean action. Might have to spray something on the ground, just go back and forth like that. It turns really easily. Like this is good for getting up all that hair that's just really challenging to stay ahead of, but not anymore. So this is it right here. This is the Pet System Bona Microfiber Mop for multi-surface. What does this talk about in here? Extra light. So this is the microfiber pad for deep cleaning, and the sweeping pad, power loop technology, remove stains. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Safe on all surfaces. You can wash this for up to 500 times, it says, for both of these. All right, for the Bona system Pet Mop. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.